What's going on, guys? It's Ed here from ClicksGeek, and I want to go over something that just came out today, Thursday the 23rd. Basically, what's going to happen is if you want to advertise on the Google Ads platform via Google Ads, YouTube, Google Search Ads, anything like that, you're going to have to confirm your identity. And you're going to have to do that by submitting personal identification information, business incorporation documents, stuff like that. So I'll link to this particular post from Google, but if we go down here, this is what I wanted to talk about. So, as part of this initiative, advertisers will be required to complete a verification program in order to buy ads on our network. Advertisers will need to submit personal identification, business incorporation documents, or other information that that proves who they are and the country they operate in. And this will begin this summer. So this has been a trend happening within the Google Ads ecosystem for some time. If you look at Google Guaranteed or the local service ads, where Google will actually guarantee performance, they're going through and vetting some of the suppliers that are actually able to advertise on that platform. This is another level of that. And where I see the biggest implication, wow, I can't talk today. I need to drink some coffee. Where I'm seeing the biggest implication for this is in the lead generation space, guys that are doing pay-per-lead with the Google Ads platform. So if you're setting up a Google Ads account, setting up a fictitious business and running ads to then turn around and sell those leads into an affiliate network or to a local business, unless you can prove that you are the local business, operating within that space, they may go so far. If your business incorporation documents are somewhat vague, they may ask for local licensing. I don't really know yet. That's to be determined. But I'd imagine this is going to be the nail in the coffin for the Google Ads affiliate model, in my opinion. That's kind of, I'm reading the tea leaves here. I'm reading between the lines. That's kind of what I'm seeing is going to happen. If we go back to a video I did last year, it's called Pay-Per-Lead Problems and Mistakes to Avoid. In that video, I go over why I hate Google Ads for the pay-per-lead model. I am a Google Premier partner. My business partner and I, we own a Google Ads agency that is a Premier partner. So we're a top 1% agency within the Google ecosystem in terms of performance of campaigns, the amount of budget we have under management, the testing and certifications. We're good at the Google Ads platform. I'd say we're expert level at it, and yet I still don't do this model. And the reason I do it, I list out many reasons why within this video here, and I'll link to it somewhere around here if you want to take a listen and watch that video. But yeah, so I think this is the final nail in the coffin for the pay-per-lead model using Google Ads. Now, having said that, I'm still bullish on Google Ads. I'm still bullish on pay-per-lead when it comes to SEO'd properties. So if you built out a lead gen website and you were generating leads that way, I still love the pay-per-lead model and the rev share model doing that business model. But in terms of Google Ads, not a fan, never was a fan. And I think this is just the final nail in the coffin in terms of not being able to actually get ads running on the platform because of what they're going to implement. So just wanted to do a quick video today with an update on this. We've got a private Facebook group, and one of our members in the group, Jason, pinged us with an article today about, that was on CNBC, and it's basically that Google is making advertisers now verify who they are, where they operate, and their incorporation documents. So they had originally rolled this stuff out within the political arena back in the day, and this was in response to the Russia hoax type thing. And then also, if you look, it's not just advertisers within America, it's globally, and how they could affect local elections around the globe. So they made political advertising much more stringent. So this is just trickling down now into the local businesses, and it's not necessarily a bad thing. I think this is a good thing. I think this is cleaning up a lot of the bait and switch that was taking place within the market, and I'm all for this. I'm not a fan of Big Brother. I'm more of a libertarian than anything else, kind of a hands-off. But in this case, I think this is better for the consumer, better for the end user advertiser. They're going to weed out some of the people that were driving up costs and bidding for position that were basically just doing pay-per-lead model type stuff. So I'm okay with this at the end of the day. I think it makes for a better experience for for the end user, the actual client customer in market as well. Just giving them a little bit more insight into who they're doing business with. So I'm okay with this. I think this is fine. So I just want to shoot a quick video to give you guys a heads up on this, what I see coming down the pipe. I think we're going to see more stuff like this. I wouldn't be shocked if something like this rolled out into the G&B verification space, where you have to actually verify your incorporation documents, maybe your local licensing, that kind of stuff. They do that in an advanced verification. If they don't think you are who you say you are, they get the whiff that you're a lead gen. Through a video verification process, they may ask for some of that documentation, but I think this is, I think that's coming soon. So I think in order to get your G&B in the future, at some point you're going to need your incorporation documents. So that's going to wipe out that entire segment of the marketing industry that is strictly doing G&B paper lead style models. So we shall see. Just want to give you guys kind of an update. Man, I'm having a tough time talking this afternoon. I need some more coffee. I just got off. I just did an hour-and-a-half interview with Lane from Quantum Newswire. I'll be posting that probably either today or tomorrow, potentially Monday. But awesome interview about local SEO and using press releases for SEO signal generation and link building. So awesome interview. I'm really looking forward to having that up on the channel. And that's it. That's all I got for today, guys. Hope you have a great day. And that's it. Hope everyone's doing well. Thanks.